Guys, welcome back with the Killer Sudoku, the regular Killer Sudoku in the first Friday of the month. Yeah, a speed test we will do. The first Friday of the month is the Friday, January the 5th, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So it's time now for the speed test with the Killer Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, 4 of them I will do this in the evening. But first, these 3 regular puzzles, already done 2. So it's time now for the Killer Sudoku with a speed test, without comments, without instructions. And this will be number 7742. Alright, so let's get started. 1 minute already passed. Okay, yeah. 13, 20, 20, 41, 4. This should be the 5. Now we have 1, 20, 38, 38, 43, 38 plus 5. 43 should be 2. This should be 5. This will be difficult. Here, 26, 30, 39, 6, 3. Need a 3 here. This should be 3. This should be a 1. Difficult. Here, 20 plus 18, 38. 7, 5. Okay, and now 7 and 5, 9 and a 6. Need a 6 here. 9 and a 7. Need a 6 here. 6, 3 is 9 and the 8. 9 and 8. Nope, 6 and 8. Yeah, 9, 8. Okay, 2 and a 1. So the other 2 should be 4 and a 5. Okay. No 5 here. Come on. 5, 5, 5. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Here should be the 2. 9 and a 7 should be here. Let me check for numbers here. 13. 69 and a 7. 7, 7 here. Need a 7 here. 7 and a 5. We have a 5. There's 7 and a 4. 9, 9. This should be the 9 and the 3. Need an 8 here. 8 and a 2. Nope. 8 and a 2. Could be. 8 and a 5. Cannot be. 8 and a 2. 1 and a 4. Nope. Counting error. Wait. Missing here the 5. 6, 5 and a 1. Yeah. 5, 5. Here should be 5, 5 and 8. We have 8 there. 5. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. This should be the 8. 7 should be here. 3 and the 4. Need a 1 here. Here can be 1. 1, 1. Need a 2. Here can be 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here can be 1. We have a 5 there. This should be the 2. This should be the 1. 2 and a 4. 1 and 8. 9 and a 6 here. 9, 6. Then we have a 3 and a 4. We need a 6 here. 6 and a 3. Come on. Need a 4 here. 4 and a 9. Yeah, 4 and a 9. Well. 7, 4, 5 and need an 8 here. 8 and a 5. Need a 9. Here should be the 9. 9 and a 4. This should be the 4. This should be the 2. 9, 7. 1, 2, and the 7 should be here. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 here. No 4 here. No 4 there. Here can be a 4. 4, 4. 4 and a 5. Nope. This should be the 4. 2, 4. Here can be 4. There can be 4. Here can be 4. And 4 and the 5. Nope. Only place left. 4, 2, and the 6. I need a 6 here. 8, 4. This should be the 6. This should be an 8. Need a 1 here. This should be the 1. Here I need a 1. This should be 6. This should be the 2. 3 and a 4. 4. 3. 2 numbers left. 3 and the 8. Yes. 3 and 8. Here 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 1 and the 7. 5. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 2, 3 and we have a 8 there. 3. This should be the 6 and the 3. We need a 3 here. 3 and a 7. Well, could be. 1 and 8. 8. Need an 8 here. Can we an 8? Here should be the 8. 9 and the 7. Here. 1. Need a 1 here. This should be the 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 7. 1 and a 9. This should be the 3. 11, 7. And 6 and the 4. 4, 7. 2 numbers left here. 2, 3 and the 5. 1, 2 and the 9. 8 and the 5. 8, 2, 7. 2, 9, 4. 9, 9, 7. Yes, 7 minutes 46 minus 1 minute. 6 minutes and 46. Alright. Killer Sudoku. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, correct. Well, 6 minutes and 46. Previous 9 minutes. And the first one, 5 minutes and 42. Wow, speed test. First Friday of the month. Yeah, without comments, without instructions. I hope you enjoyed this speed test. Otherwise, I will refer you in the evening with the puzzles of the additional. Those puzzles I will give instructions or comments. So no speed test. Only these 3 regular puzzles. Alright, thank you for watching again. Bye bye for now and have a great and fantastic Friday. We will meet again in the evening. So for now, see you later.